Hi, Dr. Dan Mossell from Mossell Holistic here. Down here at the river, I'm a little further downstream today than I was yesterday, and the water's actually higher yesterday. We have a lot of water coming in. It's just all flowing downhill. It's coming in. I mentioned yesterday about nature deprivation, and I thought even more about it afterwards. And it's so true. And we're in this day and age, we're so far removed from where we were 100 years ago, 200 years ago, let alone 1,000 years ago, right? And I think it's getting harder and harder to be healthy. I know it is. It's for a lot of reasons. So, and the way things have been going, it looks like a lot of people aren't coming into the office. And I understand that, believe me, I get it. But I'm here to serve. So I've been thinking and talking to a lot of fellow chiropractors throughout the country, and forward-thinking people. And I'm really, I've really been working on trying to figure out how I can serve over these next, who knows, it looks like might be several more weeks. So I got a lot of things coming. We're gonna be starting to do some exercise videos. We're gonna include breathing. We're gonna be including posture prep, mobility, a little bit of cardio. I got my young nephew. He's 30 years old. He's a wonderful, talented chiropractor. He's going to be coming in with us and helping me with that. So we got a lot of fun things coming. So I tell you what, if you're interested in like what we're doing, do me a favor, like our page, Mossell Holistic. Please follow us, and if you want to see our stuff, put see first. So like, follow, see first. We got some exciting things coming. I'm gonna be doing some online classes. We're gonna be doing meditations. I'm gonna start doing every morning 8 o'clock. It's gonna be some little 2 to 5, 6 minute meditations. Hopefully, I like coming down here to the river. It's nice and quiet. A lot of social distancing here. There's very, very few people down by the river. I don't get it. Pretty nice. So anyhow, thank you, and tune in tomorrow. I'm going to be, by Tuesday morning for sure, we're going to have a lot more things coming up. I'll have more to tell you. Thanks.